Hi, first grade. I hope everybody had a great Easter. I'm going to show you some fun things to do today with chalk. I found this old bucket of chalk in the garage. You can get chalk probably at H-E-B or a dollar store, or you might find some in your garage also. So the first thing I did is I drew a ladder on the ground, and a ladder with just lines. There's a lot of things that I can do with the ladder. I can hop on one foot through the ladder. I can hop on the other foot, going back through the ladder. I can go in and out of the ladder with some quick feet. I can hop backwards on the ladder. There are a lot of fun things that you can do just with chalk. I also drew a hopscotch, and hopscotch is super fun to do also, and it's really fun to draw. Get creative with what the hopscotch looks like, and this is a really good thing for balance, and it's fun to do. Then you could maybe even try it backwards. So get some chalk, draw a fun hopscotch. Can y'all see that? And just have some fun with it. There's a lot that you can do with chalk. There's a lot of fun things that you can do in the driveway, but incorporate it into PE and have some fun with fitness. The other thing that you can do not with chalk is you can get on the curb and balance on the curb. Okay, I'm going to pull out a balloon and I'll show you all some other fun things that you can do with that.